Good evening, lovely souls. Welcome to your pick a card reading. This is your weekly guidance reading from February 21st, from February 22nd to February 28th, 2021. I'm Amrita, tarot card reader, Akashic record reader, healer, pranic healer, and lots more. Let's not waste time on that and we go to your card. So you can choose your card from card number 1, 2, 3, or 4, and let's see how this week is treating you. Yeah, thank you so much. If you like the readings, if it resonates with you, take it. If it doesn't, it's fine, because this is a collective reading for the collective consciousness. It might resonate with you, it might not resonate with you. So please take what resonates with you. Thank you so much and have a lovely week. For those who chose card number 1 for this week, participation. This card is a blessing to have, as it means a time for rejoicing and celebrating. It implies dancing towards harmony and that happier times are ahead. You are at a point of time finally when you can feel proud of anything that you have accomplished. The inner child in you is being nudged to come out from the hiding under that adult disguise and indulge in fun. You need to laugh a lot, get involved in a more social interaction, and spread your light-hearted charisma all around. In matters regarding money, it shows a time of financial ease and stability, and investment, business, or other money matters should work out in your favor. Time to reap the rewards. In relation to love, this card reveals happiness, stability, and harmony in a relationship. Romance is in the air. Past problems can now be resolved. Because of your positive vibrations, you can attract someone who is right for you. In matters related to work, success and contentment come after a period of hard work. A project undertaken now is likely to provide comfort. Previous projects will be successfully completed and you will be thoroughly satisfied. You are feeling good about yourself and your place in life, knowing that you have earned your happiness. You can now free yourself from any circumstances that does not suit you. Whether it is a relationship, job, self-doubt or fear, you can now break free and have fun with whatever you have made choices on in your life regards to whichever decision you have taken. So this is an extremely positive card. Have a happy week, guys, for people who chose card number 1. Thank you. For those who chose card number 2, totality, 5 of Wands. 5 of Wands reveals that there is a struggle of some kind, yet it is hard to know who's going to come out the winner. Perhaps you feel you have to pick up a fight mentally within yourself, or else challenge someone out in the external world. Sometimes you might feel as if the world is going against you right now. In matters related to money, disputes arise over resources, property, ideas, rights, or territory. Confusion or disagreements may exist about how to make use, invest, or spend money. Be practical, losses may result if you do not pay attention to what is going on around you. Do not seek financial advice from others or begin a legal matter involving money or property at this time. In matters related to love, small matters may cause squabbles between you and a partner. Ego battles may flare up, resulting in nothing. You need to be more flexible and cooperative. In matters related to work, arguments, confusion, and disarray disrupt your work environment and career path. Ego and stubbornness interfere with progress. Put aside ego issues and stubbornness which are stopping you from moving ahead. You need to be more practical. For those who chose card number 3, 8 of Wands, traveling. The card signifies that it is time either to get your priorities sorted out because things are so up in the air, or to make it clear what your intentions are right now. It indicates that you are simply rushing ahead with your plans or taking swift action is essential. What you learn from this card is that if you act now, do not hesitate. Things will work out as you wish. In matters related to money, it shows a time of excitement, urgency, and rapid development. You need to take You need to act and make decisions quickly. Expect opportunities and results to come soon. In matters related to love, this card represents passion and excitement. A love affair may begin suddenly and sweep you off your feet, or excitement will turn on in an existing relationship. In matters related to work, a business trip is possible. You can make rapid progress now and your career could accelerate. Time for action. Be daring, take a few risks, and try something new that you have always wanted to do. Follow your heart. A blessing week looks like for people who've chosen card number 3. For those who chose card number 4, swords, fighting. Use your energy positively to analyze the current situation, but don't rush headlong into making any decisions without careful thought. You may want to get things done hastily, you may lack sensitivity, or simply be so influential and intellectually together that you know you can persuade anyone to see things your way. You may think you know it all, but refusing to listen to others could prove costly. Income changes are highlighted. You need to change your perspective, attitude, or understanding. Rather than setting up defenses to protect vulnerability, be more flexible and receptive. In terms of love, a new affair might begin or an existing relationship could end. Perhaps you need to change old patterns of relating. A change in your work environment, job, or responsibility is likely. You may need to change your attitude or the way you perform your job, becoming more positive and open minded. Avoid confrontation. You may be letting your head rule your heart, or someone is of so much authority or overbearing in their viewpoint that you do not have a chance to speak up about